Breaking the Wall of Plastic Pollution. Sekelo Shude, Falling Walls Lab, Cape Town.
Ladies and gentlemen, plastic pollution is not just a South African issue, but it is a global severe problem. So in South Africa, only 57% of the population get refuse disposal. That is not recycling, but the municipality collects and dumps that waste in the landfill site. And when you look at that picture, I don't know how it makes you feel, but that is not normal. That is not how we must move forward. There are about 5.2 trillion pieces of plastic in our oceans. And it has been estimated that by 2050, we are going to have more plastic in our oceans than marine animals. And then, I took it upon myself, raised by a single mother that was reliant on recycling, feeding us through recycling. And then I designed this product. This is a paving brick that is made from waste plastic. We don't only create this brick, but I flew with this brick from South Africa because I wanted to break these walls using this plastic. So we have waste pickers that live through selling plastic because unemployment is a huge issue in South Africa. And this project is not just a project that is aimed at financial beneficiary, but it is a community engagement project. And when you see those women, they benefit through selling waste plastic to us. We have a recycling center that is in South Africa that is compliant, and these women, they sell their recyclables, keeping our communities plastic free. And that is a huge problem globally. So our plastic pavers are recyclable also. When this plastic is broken, you can then recycle back to us, and then we can manufacture the same product, same processes. So we have a patent for our processes, and what we are seeking to have partners that will enable us to take these products to new levels. So these women that you see here, we don't offer them recycling, but we offer them free basic financial literacy skills because we want them to empower themselves. So we have 3 success stories of women that have started businesses within the recycling space because we want them to empower themselves in ensuring that they live sustainable lives. Plastic pollution is a huge issue, and it's not just a South African issue. And here in Berlin, I can see that the only issue that is having is the falling trees. So with these pavers, we are paving a sustainable future. And with our retaining wall blocks, we are retaining sustainable walls. Thank you.